Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Lisa and Lena Mania. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you are notified when I upload the video. My choice is Lisa. Today's choices are so cute. My choice here is Lena. I am going to pick here both. These both are so beautiful. My choice here is Lisa. Please comment your choice in the comment box below. My choice here is Lena. These stuff are so cute. My choice is Lisa. My choice is Lena. Please leave a comment in the comment box about your choice. My choice is Lena. And also give me a suggestion which kind of video you want me to upload. My choice is Lisa. I'm going to pick these both, by the way. My choice is Lena. I'm going to pick here Lisa. So beautiful, so innocent looking. I'm going to pick here Lena. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my video. I'm going to pick Lena. Its color is so beautiful. My choice here is Lisa. So beautiful clothes. My choice is Lisa. I'm going to pick here Lena. My choice is Lisa. I'm going to pick here Lena. I'm going to pick Lena. These are so beautiful. My choice is Lisa. I'm going to pick Lena. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and don't forget to subscribe.